Hello kids, let's learn the animal names with me. A is for alligator, alligator. B is for bear, bear. C is for cow, cow. D is for dolphin, dolphin. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hippopotamus, hippopotamus. I is for iguana, iguana. G is for giraffe, giraffe. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, the number. O is for ostrich, ostrich. P is for pigeon, pigeon. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, snake. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. X is for X-ray fish, X-ray fish. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra.